Look at this. Can you stop this? Most students fail this type of question. Let me break it down for you. Your ability to solve this will enable you to solve any question that is what? Exponential. Let's see. The first thing I want us to look at is here. This can also be written as this. You agree? So therefore, I am going to come to this place now to say this 1 plus equals to 2 raised to power 8. What is the meaning of this? This one means x 1 plus x. So what if this was minus? Remove this, I put minus here. So that's what we are going to do to these guys, okay? That is to say, s raised to power minus x, you put 1 here, multiply by x equal to 2 raised to power 8. Okay? Now, what is the meaning of bracket? If you look at my previous video, I've told us that what you can replace multiplication with bracket. Okay? So what we're going to do, we are going to remove this multiplication now. I put bracket here. You agree with me? I can see retain this. So the only thing I've done here is to bring this one here and this one disappears. So this is taking the place of this. Okay? So you will not agree with me. There's a pattern now. So you can see this. S raised to power minus x. This too is s raised to power minus x. It is just that this is what? The index of this. So what you're going to do now, just to see the picture, say let P be equals to s raised to power minus x. Therefore, we can do now P raised to power P, because this one now is not our P. So this is P, this is P. Okay? Just for you to see it clearer, we are doing this, okay? Equals to 2 raised to power 8. Now, there's similarity between the base and the power. Let's also see if we can do the same thing to this side. That's our next target. Let's see. So what is the meaning of 8? 8 means 2 multiplied by 4. Okay? That is equals to. Let's still replace these times by bracket. Okay? That is 4 raised to power 4. Now let's bring this one here. As you can see, it means now that what? P is 4. P is 4, because if these two are similar, these are similar, it means that therefore this and this are equal. So therefore our P is equal to 4. What was P before? Let's check. Our P was this, s raised to power minus x. S raised to power minus s equals to 4. Okay? I also want to convert this to be something like this. That's my target. Okay? This could be a man carrying a man, same man, but there's minus here. Whatever that this is, we don't care. Whatever that you are, whatever that you are, as long as you and this guy are the same, there's a minus, just like this guy. S and S are the same. The only thing is the minus. Let's see if we can make this one to be the same thing. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to say this equals to 2 raised to power 2. You agree? Good. I want to ask you, 2 raised to power 2 is equals to what? 4. If I also say minus 2 raised to power 2, is it also equals to 4? Yes, it's equals to 4, of course. Got minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 is equals to 4. So if I write it like this or like this, I'm still correct. So I can easily say, still, this is equals to this. The next thing I want to ask you, what is the meaning of this 2? 2 is what? 2 is plus 2. Because even if there's plus here, there's plus here. As long as it's positive, no need to put it. Okay? But if it was a minus, we must put it. Therefore, what I'm going to do to this 2 now is to convert it to the same thing. It will remain 2 by say minus minus. What is minus minus? Minus minus is plus. So if actually there was a plus here, by putting minus minus here, I have not changed anything. It's still plus. This is the type of math you will see in some international exams. Okay? Now, I believe you are seeing something that I'm seeing. Can you now see that in this regard, this is what? Same thing like this. The only thing is that there's a minus in between them, right? What about this? This is same with this. The only thing is there's a minus between them. Okay? So therefore, we can say therefore, this is equals to this. Why this is equals to this? As you can see, this is also equals to this. You can see they are equal. They are equal. So therefore, S is equals to minus 2. You get it? Now let's test our result. If we are correct, this is what? S equals to minus 2. Let's see if actually S equals to minus 2. How are we going to test it? This was the original question. Let's see if we solve this now, if we can still have this. Okay? This is X, that is minus 2. Minus 2. 1 minus 2. Okay, let's see if we're going to have this. Minus 2, 1 plus 2, that's what? 3. Okay? You agree with me that if you do this, you're going to have minus 8. Okay? This minus will cancel themselves to have 8 here. And because this is even, if I solve this like this in 8 places, I also solve this in 8 places, I'm going to have the same thing. Because the minus will cancel themselves at the end of the day to come back to this format. You can use your calculator, say minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 in 8 places. Check the answer. Then do this one. You find that what? They are the same. Therefore, our answer is what? Correct. To say what? X, which you are looking for, is minus 2. These are the kind of question you used to lift with. Okay? Hope this understood. Thank you for viewing.